everyone, kumusta? It's another day, and today is the first day of January 2024. So 2024 na. Well, I made it a point to vlog because it's the first day of the year, and I think I have to meet the year with a good and warm welcome. Welcome 2024. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my vlog. I hope you bring me good cheers and good luck in my channel. Why? Because this channel is all about myself and my loved ones. My loved ones include my family, special someone, my friends. Yeah, so um, this channel is a special channel that features everything special about me and everything special about the people, the characters, the important characters in my life. So, eto, anyway, andito pa rin tayo sa Savoy Inn Hotel. I stayed for 3 days here. It's a very small hotel. Not really small, but I mean, quite old and a little bit dilapidated. Ganun ba? Um, for the most part, I was not supposed to be here. I was supposed to be out, but it's the opposite actually. So I kind of stayed here for quite some time because I had issues. Yeah. Yesterday I had to attend to my mom because she did not feel well for the day, and then also I needed to have a mini conference with myself. Yeah, so meron akong parang tawag dito, mini one-on-one, talaga, review of everything, year-end audit, then new plans for 2024, uh, everything. It's a checklist. Parang nagkaroon ako ng checklist or whatever. I mean, in a nutshell, you're going to say, parang gumawa ko ng checklist na, yeah, checklist on what to do with the year 2024. It's not actually, yan, hindi lang ganun yun, of course, because I'm a busy person. My work is busy, it's taxing, so I have to really plan. So, gumawa ko ng, ang pinaka one word doon is, gumawa ko ng planner. Planner. It's not actually complete, but it's there and it's, I'm gonna start it. I've been doing it as I was just updating and I was putting something into it, like more to make it more um, accessible and implementable. Yan. Implementable, yeah. Because again, I'm the team captain of my family, and of course myself. And so to deliver well, I really have to plan. Yeah, because the saying goes, failing to prepare is preparing to fail. Yan. So ayoko naman. Actually, hindi naman ako yung perfect. At saka, ay hindi naman yung sasabihin kong nagagawa ko talaga lahat and magagawa ko talaga lahat. No. But, at least sasabihin ko, kung hindi ko naman gagawin, anong mangyayari? Wala. Parang wasak. Diba? Yung buhay ko, walang direksyon. Ayan, without any guide, without any planning, without any tips, kahit papano, wala. Yeah. And please, if you have tips, please give me. Maawa kayo sa akin. Tulungan niyo ako. Anyway, okay, so before anything else, I was supposed to go na because I was actually adorning myself for the last 2 hours. Yeah. And before that, I had to talk to my mom also. I had to update with her, and I'm happy that she ate a lot. She eats differently now. We prepare the food differently now, but at least At least she likes it and she's nourished and it's healthy food. So natutuwa naman ako doon kasi our efforts are paid well. My brother is there, is doing the care for my mother, for our mother, and he's really doing it well. So we're blessed and yun lang. We did not have a grand celebration for the new year because we want to spend our money to with more important um, concerns like food ng mom ko. Yeah, if we what I mean is if maghanda kami, ihahanda na lang namin yung nung ano mga favorite ng mom ko tsaka yung mga kailangan talaga niya, diba? Because yung tao sa bahay, mom ko lang naman. And my brother and my nephews here, they were also joining their mother's ancestral house. So we don't really have much to celebrate with the new year. My dad is in his little hut there beside the sea. Hindi naman niya maiiwan yung mga animals niya doon. Of course, he has to sleep there. And he can't celebrate also. He can't be married in the new year because his sister has died. So basically, we're mourning. And because we're mourning, we don't really have to spend a lot for a celebration this new year. But fortunately, actually, I was with a group of my friends, a group of Filipinos. Some of them I don't know. Some of them first time kong nakita. Is in a place at my friend's. He's a nurse, yeah. And of course, may barkada, syempre. Ganun ganon, diba? Alam niyo na yan, okay? Not my barkada, what I mean is, here naman, yeah. Parang siyang kagroup ko talaga kasi we came from the same hospital in Iloilo City. And we shared some years there when I used to train in internal medicine, residency training at Iloilo Doctors Hospital way back 2007 to 2010. Was a long time ago. I'm kind of old. But yun nga, I was there last night. I was always been there for quite some time in the past years. But last night, I made it point I was gonna be there because that house is really giving me a positive vibe. I don't know. Basta yung house na yun. When I enter that house is good. It gives me good cheers. Anyway, so, ano to, pakitaan na naman ng fashion muna. So, I have to stand and show you what I wear today. Yan. So, it's basically a, what? A blouse. Actually, ganyan siya. Actually, it's supposed to be ganyan. Ayoko na siyang tanggalin. May ganyan lang siya, parang ganyan. Oh, diba? Sexy siya. Yeah. And I made it into a ribbon. I actually look like a flight attendant now. Ayan. Parang formal-formalin tayo, diba? Ano masasabi nyo, diba? It hides the imperfections. This is just a simple and cheap, not really cheap, blouse from Max, of course, my favorite clothing store. Pero, as you can see, depende na lang sa pag nagsusuot, tsaka depending on how you model it. Parang hirap ng camera kasi. Angle din kasi ng camera minsan, diba? Ayan, so, okay na. Diba? I've modeled the dress. And then, be apparel na lang. Okay, it's not really a dress, okay? Anyway, okay, so ano sasabihin ko ba? At least I've decreased my weight. At least I've reduced it. Tsaka yun, I feel a little bit comfortable in comparison to last time where I was so heavy and talagang hindi okay because of the sickness. So, pumayat ako anyway. And you see, I've made up myself. Today's makeup is of course incongruence with my blouse here. So I made it a point like that kasi parang maganda siya tingnan, diba? Matchy-matchy siya. Okay? And the principle of doing makeup also and adorning your body is that the color should be appropriate with each other. They should harmonize. So you have the principles of monochromatic color harmony, and you also have the principle of this is a monochrome, so it's I mean the colors match, yeah. It's a one color shade, but what I mean is one color, but with different shades. Tapos you can also use contrasting colors maybe in the color wheel. Um, this is the opposite, yeah, like that. But that would be, I think, sa mga parties rin, diba? Okay, so I like just to be safe, I just use the color which matches my look, my apparel today to really finalize my look. So, okay siya. I feel comfortable. Any makeup is good as long as hindi siya kumakalat sa face mo, and then it enhances your look, and then it makes you comfortable. Yun lang ang importante yun. Makes you feel good, diba? So, I just tucked my hair there with a clip. Yun lang. Kasi, gusto ko nga ganyan. But later on, of course, alam naman natin na we're I'm going, it's in the mall, and of course, it's cold there. Of course, I need to let my hair down mamaya doon. So, anyway, at least parang flight attendant look tayo. Actually, hindi, parang dapat open siya, diba? Ito. Kaya lang, but I can change it if okay, to change ko na. Bilis naman nun. I can do it like this. Pwede naman ganito siya, okay? Marami namang fashion, fashion sense na, na pwede. So, yung gagawin kong ganyan, kaya na lang. Ayan. So, a little bit open. I-hide ko na siya ng konti. What do you think? It's better ba? It's simple. Simple, diba? But, it opens my neck and it's better, right? So those are the things. Kailan ba ako magfa-fashion PPP? I'd like to resume it, but sabi ko nga I don't have the time all the time, or maybe lazy lang ako, maybe I don't put time with it. So I don't put a proper schedule. So yun, a proper schedule would mean I'm really busy, and so that I have to schedule even a vlog. Oh my G, it means I have to adorn myself, right? Like that. So, wala kasing tubig sa t-shirt, so hindi uso yung ligo-ligo. So, hindi ako nakapagligo. So, how would I vlog with you? So, parang ganun siya. Anyway, this camera, masyado siyang malapit. But if, pwede na ba? I actually opened all the windows to let the natural light come in because nasa 4th floor naman ako. And then I have to open the fluorescent lights also to make a good lighting. But first things first, a good vlog or picture should be taken with a good lighting directed to your face and to the backdrop or whatever where you are leaning. Parang basta you have to iilawan mo yung mukha mo, yung self mo, para maipakita yung Sexy ko naman, hindi mo ako busi, pero kasi always use protective undies. So, I'll have to use the loose one. Yeah. Pero fit siya, but loose one. Hindi siya hapit, ganon. So, it makes parang feeling sexy, pero hindi naman sa totoo lang. Anyway, okay, so I had a little prelude kanina doon sa sinabi ko. Again, about the new year, yeah, and people that I should be thankful for. Well, I have a lot to tell. Madami akong gustong sabihin, but time is, really a great want here because today is the last day of Gala Gala for the whole day. Sabi ko nga, how am I gonna do it? I mean, I need to see like 5 malls. Oh my God. I have to be very fast with all my right knee na namamaga. Oh my God. But reveal, ano ba to? It's a reveal of my medical profile, of my health profile. Well, hindi naman natin, we cannot discount the fact that I'm 49 this year. No, kaka 48 ko pa lang. Pwede ba? Huwag mo na natin ihizan. But what I mean is, when you're adding up to your age, some years, the years really count on you, right? So, siguro hindi sa mukha ko, diba? Pero, dito naman sa tuhod ko. Oh my God. It's my knee. Oh my gosh. Okay, to start with, my family has arthritis. So, my grandmother, she had it. Yeah, back when I was a little girl, she used to really, have knee pains, and then she couldn't walk straight. She has this cane, a cane which is only a bark of a tree. Yeah. So, and also she has to, really, lean on us. She needs our support when she is walking. Parang ginagawa niya kaming human cane, diba? But we love her, so we were so glad to do it for her. And now, of course, came my mother, of course, because she's the daughter of my grandmother. And so, mom ko, I think it started, I think, 8 years ago, na parang full-blown arthritis siya. She cannot stand during that time. So what I did was I brought her to the physiatrist, or a physical rehabilitation medicine doctor, and the doctor advised some physical exercises, or medically known as physiotherapy, to relieve her aching knees. Not really aching. First, hindi siya katayo, diba? Because the joints there became stiff, movement is hindered. So she received physiotherapy, and so she improved after a year. Nakakalakad na uli siya until now. Anong gawa nito? Kasi ganun siya, no? So dapat pala, um, pwede ko naman siyang, kung gusto ko parang, ko na siya, pandalito, ayan, parang ganyan na. Diba? Kasi masyadong malalim to. So, dahil masyadong malalim siya, malabas yung part na yun. But for this vlog alone, because it's better if it's like that, yan na lang. Okay, later I'm gonna restructure it. Anyways, okay, so she improved, and until now she can she can already walk, but when we bring her to far places, she has to ride a wheelchair. Pero sa loob ng bahay, she can walk by herself without any physical support, cane or walker or whatever. Anyway, but minsan talaga, she's saying her knees are shaking. So, oh my gosh. I have a lot of, I know should be back. She should be back to physiotherapy. But the thing is, yung helper namin, it's difficult for her because she's quite old. She's 65 years old, and she's not that learned much. So she tries her best, but nowadays it's really hard to find someone who can help you at home. We're trying to find a real caregiver, but the caregivers, they also have preferences. And then, kasi maraming lugar namin sa city, di ba? And then, they live in some place where, kasi it's a place where actually there is a school for caregiving, and most of the people there are the students that who graduated in that college, also live there, near there, yeah. So, ang gusto rin nila magtrabaho sila malapit din doon kasi siguro may mga pamilya sila. And if they work in our town, it's quite a little bit a ride of an hour or so. So, parang hirapan sila. They want a job with which they can go home maybe during the night, or maybe they can just deliver a 12-hour duty, and they can be back in their homes with their children and their family. So, parang ang hirap talaga. Unless siguro, I'll pay that much. So, yun. But, of course, the advantage, if I pay that much, is that hindi na ako magtataka kung ano, ba't hindi nagawa ito ganyan? Because it's a caregiver. He or she does it and will do it and knows what I'm trying to say. She can carry out the instructions very carefully and very well. Maybe not perfect, but at least well, diba? It will take out the stress from me. But the problem is who, saan? Wala naman din. So we're left with the choice of just having a housemaid, with which I said, just follow my instructions. Akong mag-train sa'yo, and then wala kang gagawin, sundin mo lang talagang sinasabi ko. Just do what I'm trying to tell you. So, hindi na mahirap. But the thing is, my mother is, she's kind of a character. Meron siyang ways na kakaiba rin. Palautos. Alam niyo yon. So, nangangawit talaga yung housemaid namin. Kaya nga, I'm trying to find another housemaid. Another helper. Sana naman kung baka may mga kilala kayo dyan, baka naman, diba? Please help me. Please recommend somebody. Kahit daytime job lang, diba? Para nakakatulong naman dun sa helper namin. She's willing naman. Kahit pang night siya, pang day yung isa, diba? Well, hindi ko alam. Maybe if I shell out some money, if I say, ganito yung magiging magiging sweldo mo. Baka sabihin nung helper, okay, let's all go and apply. Baka sasabihin, I'll give you 10,000 pesos. Yeah. Parang sabihin, wow, laki naman. Sige, apply tayo. Anyway, day job lang yon, diba? Uwi naman tayo sa bahay, diba? Parang ganun. So, pero, there's not really much to do there. Pero, alam mo naman yung tao, especially people who have, were not really fortunate to receive a lot of education like we do, like that. Maybe, syempre, of course, sino ba naman ayaw ng pera, kailangan natin. So, paano gusto natin hitting two birds with one stone? Naghihirap tayo. Parang ganun lagi, di ba? Gusto mo magtrabaho ka, tapos nakakalabas ka ng bahay mo, hindi ka nang boboard, tapos kumikita ka, and sure, dapat malaki siya, di ba? So, I understand that, pero yun naman, budget-wise, I'm really trying to fit in with the budget kasi tumaas na talaga yung medical expenses namin. So, and I cannot do away with it kasi kailangan siya eh. Yeah, the food now is iba na. You have to spend on medically formulated milk, like that. Tapos, yung mga food kailangan, na talaga, we have to my brother bought a blender the other day, food blender, kasi biniblend na nga yung food ng mom ko. She takes it well, that's a positive note there, kasi marami naman siyang kinain, yeah. Gusto rin niya na ganon, she likes it. So, but unfortunately, the news is that it broke. I don't know, I said, okay, you can go back to the store and then, kasi may warranty pa yun, diba? You can change it. Suddenly, it just broke. It did not fall on the ground. It did not fall on the floor. Nobody punched it or whatever on the wall. It just broke. Maybe, I don't know. What kind of blender na pag inoperate mo, it will suddenly break? Parang, hindi naman dapat, diba? So, I think that there has to be something like a factory defect there. Sabi ko, babalik mo na lang. But, he's too tired, the whole day. Usually he was up, and also during the night he was up because syempre maingay din. My mom was also up until hindi lang midnight, until after midnight pa. Okay. Anyway, the thing is, yun na nga, kudos to my brother, really did a great job. He was there. He's there for like he has been there already for quite like a 4 months na ba or more. Because it's his work schedule actually. Ganun naman talaga siya. So, he'll be back soon to work, and hindi ko alam how my mom would manage. But, fortunately, my other brother's coming home, and fortunately, he can manage also kahit konti lang. Matutulungan naman din yung mom niya, like that. And I'm coming home in March, and of course, I'm gonna take care of my mom, hands-on. And, yun nga, sabi ko, and my dad too. Of course, I have plans for them. Really, really, really big plans pa na ako talaga mag-i-install, diba? Because hindi ko naman I cannot request anybody to do it for us, for me. Wi-Fi, kahit mga Wi-Fi, imagine, ako pa yun, I don't know. And I installed Wi-Fi before, pero nobody took care of it. Alam nyo ba? Nawala lang yun. As in, wala. You know, the thing is, nobody cares when I'm not in our home. When the lady of the house is not there, yung mga gamit na nawawala. Curtains. Yeah, pillowcases. Oh my gosh. I think my mom was really blessed, because of the thing na maraming um, took advantage of her and our house, like that. I was just thinking that God, offers really blessings to those who lost. So, di naman sa pero God is really graceful. What I mean graceful, and we have to be grateful, right? God is really graceful. Even if you did not do anything, He's gonna give you if He's, you know, he thinks you need it, right? So parang ganun. Okay, one thing that's missing with my look is actually the jewelries. Okay, right? My jewelries are back there in my, in my villa, in that place where I work in the mountains, and I did not bring anything in. Parang hindi ko siya, because I'm so busy, always busy, just catching up on time. Talagang wala ako laging time na magdala na ng mga jewelries or wear them. And because I'm not used to wearing them, and that one pair of earring, nawala yung isa. Oh my gosh. So, paano ba, sabi ko, next time na bibili ka ng gold earring, you have to be careful kasi nawawala, diba? So, little, pero kahit little, ano yun, mahal din naman, diba? Gold siya eh. Kasi dito sa bansang to, diba? It's not 24 karat, it's 22. Yung 24 kasi very soft yun. So, 22. Yan. So, yun na. Anyway, where are my fancy jewelries? Because, I love to wear fancy jewelries because they're charming. They look really fashionable and they suit me, right? But, hindi rin ako nagdala. So, anyway. Beauty ko na lang. Yung damit na lang sinigurado ko sa akin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where are you? I'm just gonna bring 3 of you. Parang yun lang. Anyway, okay. So much so that for my mom, my family. I just love to tell because this is the greatest chismes of my life. My family, of course, and why I was not seen doing PPP for a long time because I had a great brainstorming for all of year 2023. My job had a lot of challenges also. Most of it involves tiredness. Kailangan ko magpahinga. Diba? I have to make sure I sleep para hindi ako magkaroon ng eye bags. Ganun ba? Ganun lang. No. It's not only that. Sleep is, did you know that when you sleep, the engineers of your body repair all the dilapidated structures there? Parang yun na lang para maintindihan nyo. When we sleep, nagtatrabaho yung mga engineers ng katawan natin. They repair yung mga sira-sira ng katawan natin. Para next day makaka-function ulit tayo. So, if you don't sleep, kasi yung paggising ka, alam naman ng katawan mo, nagising ka, diba? So, bukas yung mga ilaw, parang ganun lang, bukas yung mga ilaw, bukas lahat, para kasi kailangan ng katawan mo dahil nagtatrabaho ka nag-iisip ka diba? So, it's actually the opposite. Yung, hindi pala. What I mean is, yun siya, diba? Okay. Natrabaho ka sa kailangan ng katawan mo ng more energy, so hindi siya natutulog, diba? Hindi siya natutulog. And then yung mga engineers, paano sila makapagtrabaho rin ng mga sira-sira-sira? Ng mga sira-sira, 3 times yun sinabi ko na. Paano nga nila yun ma-repair? Kasi hindi nagpahinga si yung kunyari opisina yan, magre-repaint ng opisina. Paano naman makapagre-repaint ang mga pintor merong mga personals doon sa loob. So dapat sa gabi, pag wala na sila, magtatrabaho yung mga pintor, magre-repaint ng walls, ng lahat-lahat na lang during the night kung wala ng tao. Parang ganun din ang katawan natin. So I just make sure na ganun. Just, by sleeping, I think I could not find any study or I did not yet find any study na ganyan. But I strongly believe by principle, yan siya. If you sleep good hours of the day, ano ba yung good hours? Tama? Correct? 8 hours, right? Some people, they may sleep 6 hours. But for me, kasi yung body clock ko is accustomed to sleep, let me sleep at 8 hours at least minimum, or 7. So, meron din 6, meron din 5, pero hindi ako energized when it's kulang sa 8 hours talaga. So, not all the time naman na energized, but I make point, okay, in 100%, how how many percent of my sleep is 8 hours for this year, for the past year. I think it's a 60%. Yeah, I slept most of the time 8 hours. I think I was rested all the time. Sige, sabi na 50 para fair, diba? But that 50 is 50. It's it's balanced, right? Minsan nagpupuyat ka rin, minsan hindi rin. But I think it's more. If not 70, it's 60. Okay, let's zero in at 60%. I slept 8 hours 2023 daily, parang ganun. So, and I think that gave me the energy that I have today. Paano ko nakarating sa araw na to na ganito lang kahit marami na akong sakit. Anyway, well, as I've told you, a 48er, 48 na ako no October 29. Di naman pwedeng wala akong sakit. So, okay, ang sinabi ko yung arthritis kanina, kasi it has been passed on to the generation, my mom, and obviously, hindi naman ako kung sino-sino na hindi pwedeng magmana. Yung aunt ko na sister din ng mom ko, ganun din siya eh, meron din siya. Anyway, so ako, hindi ako nakakatakbo dyan. And of course, plus the fact that when I was 22 years old, I discovered that I had psoriasis because I had so much stress. It's an emotional problem before. So, ano ko yun, parang previous boyfriend ko, previous personal relationship. Dahil sa sobrang pag-iisip ng ilang taon, I was depressed for 10 years. My gosh, straight for that guy. At saka meron pa, may mga gap lang ng konti na nagpahinga ako. But now, I'm trying to adjust talaga. Okay. So, this is sobrang stress. Lumabas dito sa binti ko. Parang 2 peso coin. Hindi ko na malayan. Tapos, ano yan? As big as 2 peso coin? My God, there was a lesion there, which is called psoriasis, when I went to the dermatologist. And of course, she gave me that cream. And then, But, psoriasis is an autoimmune disease that's in your genes. What it means is that when you have stress, your body attacks yourself. Okay? Your own body. Ang nangyayari kasi sa psoriasis is that, di ba nagmo-molt tong skin natin. Change to nagbabago to Diba? Every 2 weeks. With psoriasis, every 3 to 4 days, tatatanggal na agad yung skin. Yung upper layer. Pero hindi siya natatanggal na nahuhulog. Nandyan lang siya. What I mean is, the body keeps on developing new upper layer. Diba? So, it looks thicker, at saka hindi mo siya nararamdaman, kaya hindi ko alam. Okay? Ngayon, if you try, minsan masagi mo siyang ganun, sabi mo, ano yun? Parang kate. So, kakamutin mo siyang ganun, diba? So, when you make kamot, mangyayari sa'yo, Kebner's phenomenon, we call it sa medicine. So, pagkakamutin mo siya, lalo siyang kakate. And pag lalo siyang kakate, kakate siya ng kakate. So, yun, pag kinamot siya, dudugo siya, or dirty yung nails mo, dirty yung hands mo, so magkakaroon siya ng super infection, tawag namin. It's a secondary infection, which is more of bacterial. So, parang complicate yung wound mo. Okay. So, what happens is that, but there's a cream, meron siyang cream na ginagamit na konti pa lang pwede mo siyang i-apply. So, it will stop proliferating very fast. Diba? Yung parang, so, pwede ba, after 2 weeks ka na lang mag-change? Diba? Pwede mo rin gawin yan. But, you see, kung super flare na kunyari may severe stress tong taong to, stress, emotional stress, psychological stress, yan. I've seen patients na buong katawan, from the head down to the toes, when I was yet in residency training in internal medicine. So, it's real, diba? Bata, matanda yung nakita ko, male. But there are also females, no? Like me. Iba-ibang age. Pero, the youngest one, I think, is me when I saw myself at 22, right? Um, okay, the thing is, kung nasa loob siya ng katawan mo, it could also happen there. It could attack your body from inside. So, the knees, yan, parang hindi ko alam kung ano mechanism doon, but, it rubs itself siguro din ng ng lubrication doon. Kasi ganito yung joints natin eh. Diba? Ito yung lower leg, ito yung thigh mo kunyari. So, pag naglalakad, pag maupo ko, maganyan siya, diba? Okay, nakaupo ka na. Pag tatayo ka, maganyan siya, straight na siya. So, maglalakad ka ng ganun, diba? Upo ka uli, yan. Pag upo mo, gaganyan siya. Okay, so this is the joint space. Para siyang, yung arthritis kasi nawawalan ng space doon eh. Parang namamagato. Tapos, nag-i-inflame yan doon, yung mga joints doon. Pag nag-i-inflame, syempre, mamaga, wala ng space dyan. Hindi na makaganon-ganon yung joint ng tama. So, masakit siya, obviously, when you walk like this, oh my God, parang gaganon-ganon. So, you understand now how difficult it is for an arthritic patient, diba? Kasi hindi na makakontrol yun, diba? And it needs a lot of exercise. So, kulang ako doon. I'll have to make a schedule for that. Kailangan maganyan-ganyan ako. Oh my God, bicycling! Meron naman akong bicycle sa bahay, pero hindi ko rin ginagamit. But first things first, the good thing that you can do for yourself is the first thing an arthritic person should do for him or herself is that kailangan mag-lose ng weight. So, I need to lose weight. I lost weight a little, but kulang pa siya. Oh my God. I just have to. Kailangan ko talaga siya for my health. Right? Tama ba? Anyway, so, and all of us. Sabi nga nila, when you look beautiful naman at your middle age, early adulthood, middle adulthood na pala ako, sorry. So, okay lang. Pero actually, for me, it's not okay. Kasi yung mga sakit, diba? That are associated with it. Okay? So, for us, the doctors, hindi siya okay na, kahit mataba ka, maganda ka naman, diba? Yung ganyan. Even if you don't want to apply makeup. No. We have to stay in yung based on metabolic index natin, BMI, it should be in a normal range para tayo ay hindi nasa danger ng pagkamatay. Syempre, yun naman. Danger, you should be out in danger of death. Parang ganun. Anyway, so, babaguhin natin yung angle para iba naman. Anyway, ayan. So, ulitin ko lang. So, yun. Parang, yun lang. Okay. Don't mind. Binago ko lang yung angle para iba naman. Okay. Sige, so ano ba? Sinasabi ko yung arthritis na yan, psoriatic arthritis. It's not documented yet, but I think it's kind of, kasi meron din akong lesions dito sa knees ko. Sa labas, hindi sa loob. So, kind of thing, ganyan siya. And then dati hindi siya namamaga. Ngayon, namamaga siya. Okay, there's a treatment for that, of course, and hopefully I could be functional pa. And, I don't know which is which. I'm trying to make use of my best assets na lang sa mga organs ng katawan ko para I can be useful. I'm a person who hates to be not useful. Ayoko nang ganon. So, if my brain works really well, I have to use it, diba? If my mouth, if my ears, lahat ng senses ko, diba? And then, nakakalakad ka pa naman. So, walk, why not? Diba? I don't want to ride all the time. Parang ganun. Tapos, ito, yung mga hindi ako nag-washing machine. I wash my clothes manually kasi gusto kong may exercise tong mga kamay ko. Tapos, nag-move ako, diba? So, basic exercise, basta hindi ako sedentary, gano'n. You know, because sa clinic, I'm sedentary for like 7 hours. Not really, but most of the time, like sedentary. Konting movement lang, meron. Yung nai-stress doon talaga, hindi katawan mo, utak mo. Okay. Apart from where, well, gagawa ko ng vlog doon yung bakit ako nasi-stress sa work. Kasi yung characteristic ng lahi na to. Yan. But sabi nga nila, ano pa raw yun? Tolerable pa daw yun. My God, talaga lang. Sabi niya, kung ni-assign ka doon sa ibang country, you won't survive. Sabi ng ibang doctors na, alam ko na nagtrabaho na doon. Anyway, so I'm very lucky pa rin, diba? And of course, I'm going to make another vlog about language, like that, translation and all. For fun lang, parang ganun. It's informative and also it's funny. Hindi nakakatawa na ganun. I mean, fun, nakaka-entertain, yun ang point ko. Okay. So, okay, tungkol sa sakit naman sinabi ko. Kala ko ba ano to PPP, hindi naman to medical vlog, ano ba yan? Going to talk about that, okay, later on. More complete view of that disease na sinasabi ko in my medical vlog. Kasi hindi naman to PPP naman to, diba? It's about myself, so chika lang to, diba? Anyway, kasi baka sabihin, ba't siya nagaganyan? Nangyari sa kanya? My God. Kasi yun, first things first kasi tumaba, diba? So, because of the stress, konti lang kinakain ko, pero yung movement is iba na. Tsaka, when you're older, it's different na rin yung metabolism mo talaga. So, I'm having a challenge. I'm really doing, I have to, really, tawag dito, plan on my meals, my diet regimen, and then how I move. Okay, when you say move, it's basic movement plus little exercise. Dancing, I don't know. Siguro kailangan ko na mag-TikTok, parang ganun. Not for the show, na ganda ko sumayaw or, ito, tingnan nyo, so, sayaw ako, oh my God. But, for the fact na kailangan ko mag-exercise, ganun. Diba? Move, ganun, diba? Let's see kung ano magagawa nun sa akin. Pero, I don't want to really post, siguro kanta, okay, pero I don't know, hindi ako makapagsabi. I hate to post dance moves of myself, but let's see na lang. Pero gagawin ko yun for exercise. I plan to do that as an exercise na talaga. Para makatulog sa katawan ko, diba? Okay, so gutom na ako, oh my God, for 45 minutes. So, it eats up my time. But this is also important kasi ngayon nga lang ako nakakapag-make ng self ko make up myself. So, diba? So, oh my gosh. And you need me here. I need you here also. We need to meet each other here in the channel. Wala akong nagko-comment. Ano ba yan? My God. Why? For the meron ako 500 plus na videos, but nobody really comments. I don't know if the comment section has been turned off. Meron naman minsan nakikita ko meron naman nagko-comment na parang, sino to? Parang panggulo lang, alam mo, ibang lahi. Sana naman yung mga kilala ko, some of you is gonna comment, kahit ano lang, kahit, I guess all of you are my friends, I don't know, kahit hindi tayo magkakilala, kahit hindi tayo close, we're still friends, right? And you can make comment. Okay lang yun, enjoy, diba? Yung iba doon, na merong malalaking channel because dami-dami nilang mga subscribers, sometimes they're also being bashed. Pero, they don't care about it. Hindi na nila pinapansin. Diba? Because the money is coming to them. Ako naman, this channel is more of like, I need to connect with my friends, like the family, and people who share the same interests as me, and who will enjoy my company, diba? Kahit chika lang yun, kahit chismis lang yun, diba? Anyway, okay. So much to talk about, but yun na nga ang tanong, so why don't you do it? Ba't di mo gawin, diba? Because, buti nga yan, if you do makeup on yourself a lot of times, in a week or in a month, it means you look good in some of the days of the month, diba? So I'm gonna try to, gagawin ko talaga. Nalilizy lang ako kasi syempre minsan I have low spirits, low mood, and this vacation is actually a planned vacation kasi this is equally spaced na after 2 months I really have to go out, I really have to leave the place para hindi ako mabore kasi bukid yun and I'm alone. So if I don't do it, so ano mangyayari sa akin? So I won't survive there. Diba? Kahit naman siguro sa Pilipinas ka lang, if you're alone and you're not communicating with each other or with other people, parang ganun din. Except for introverts, iba naman daw sila eh, they can survive. Well, for the obvious part, am I an introvert? Hello? Ang hindi naman, diba? Hindi ako, I don't live without people's shadows. Uh, Kahit hindi nagsasalita, hindi naman ako, minsan hindi rin ako matalak. When I grew old and when I lived here, I'd mellow down because kasi yung tatahimik yung mga tao dito, diba? And of course, paano ka naman makipag-chika dito, Arabic, diba? So, paano naman yun? Paano naman, diba? Yung kayang gawin yun. Anyway, so, paano? Oh my God, should we really make this one an hour? Or tama na ba itong 45 minutes? We have so much to talk about, but the time, in the interest of time, I'm gonna stop this and I'm gonna go to malls. I'm gonna go get what I want and what I need kasi minsan ako nagpupunta ng Mascot and I should have done this vlog in my house, but well, sabi ko nga, this setup is only done today, so I'm really gonna appear in this vlog today. Well, ko lang. Well, gulong-gulong isip, but at least I'm trying to unwind, stress is getting up on me, taking up on me, pero pagre-relieve daw ng stress is really up to us. Kasi wala naman nakakaalam ng mga gusto natin, wala naman nakakaalam ng makaka-relieve sa atin, diba? We just have to think. Imagine, you're stressed out na, tapos you have to think pa, anong gagawin ko sa sarili ko para mapasaya ko? Parang ganun. It is a basic duty to ourselves. Kailangan gawin natin yun sa sarili natin. Huwag nating iasa sa iba, diba? So, pag inasa natin sa iba, walang mangyayari. Kasi, why? They don't know what we want, right? If you tell them, sabihin nila, papansin naman to. Diba? See? Diba? The irony of life. Tapos, when you're some kind of depressed na, sabihin, ba't hindi ka kasi nag-reach out? Why don't you tell your problems? Why don't you make chika man lang or ano? Tapos magsasalita ka, mag-reach out, sabi, papansin, diba? So, para hindi magulo, gawin mo na lang gusto mo, yung sa tama lang. And again, balance is, yun ang kailangan talaga. It's the utmost thing that is needed. Balance, diba? So, pag may sense ka ng balance, may sense ka, ay, sumusobra na to. Wag. Okay? So, anything that's kind of sobra, parang you have to stop it. Although it's not easy to do, it's better said than done. But you have to try. And the basic thing in this earth in this world is try and try and try until you die. What I mean is, when it's your time to die, you could not try anymore, of course. But if you're living, as long as you're breathing, try, always try. Kasi lagi naman tayo nag-feel. And failure is not a hindrance. Just try. If it's not gonna work on this aspect, try another aspect. Malay mo mag-work, diba? Malay mo. Wag lang maging entitled, diba? Kasi pag entitled ka, sabihin mo, ay dapat kailangan wagi na ako doon eh. Tapos bakit hindi? Am I a failure? Eh kung sasabihin ko, yes, you're really a failure. Yes, I'm really a failure. Obvious ba? Kaya nga hindi nag-push through, diba? But there's nothing wrong with being a failure. Everyone is a failure. All their lives also. Hindi lang nagsasalita yung iba. Baka akala mo yung iba dyan, perfect yung itsura. Pero ang iba dyan talagang yung itsura lang nagawa nila. 99% failed, 1% perfect yung itsura. Diba? Magaling lang doon, diba? For all you know, diba? Tsaka may isa akong tip pala for 2024. I've come across an article. I don't know if it's an article or a meme or what. Nagsasabi na, may isusulat ka doon na yung positive thing na ginawa mo or nag-succeed ka every day or any time of the day or any time of the year in 2024, say for example, and then either Dropbox, pwedeng Dropbox, or drop mo dun sa jar. Kung hindi man jar, pwede man carton, Dropbox siya, diba? And then, at the end of the year, pwede mo siyang buksan and then tingnan. So, ginawa ko to. I was good pala with this, diba? So, pwede naman sigurong hindi siya year. Why not do it weekly or monthly para magiging feeling good ka? Oh my God, I was so good pala this week, diba? I think weekly is the best schedule for you. Ito-drop mo dun sa whatever, jar man, plastic man na lalagyan ng stick-o. Alam mo, yung naubos na yung stick-o. Sample lang yan. Dami naman, diba? Pwedeng gawin. Kahit plastic bag, ganyan. Lagay mo doon, or kahit notebook, or kahit bumili ka ng notebook, isusulat mo. I used to do it, pero hindi siya complete. There was a time also when I recorded it in my phone, pero hindi siya continuous. So, I plan to continue all the time. Okay, for kahit depressive ako for the most times of my life, I also have tips kasi 'di ba when you experience depression, you're the best person also to teach lessons, right? So kasi nag-survive ka eh. So you're the one best person to speak about the topic, right? Okay. So there is one thing also. I bought a favorite notebook. A very nice, cute notebook. Mahilig kasi ako sa notebooks because, why? Kasi na maliit tayo, di ba yung mga notebooks natin, artista lang, parang ganito ba? Yung mga ganyang pose. Tapos may pangalan, Love Lots, Sharon. Yung parang ganon, di ba? Mga ganyan-ganyan. So parang I wanted a fresh, new approach to a notebook. Ibang designs naman. So when this millennium came, I noted a lot of, ito naman, ano to? Oh, tingnan nyo. So that's the tip and guide notebook. Small tips like for, oh my God, should I discuss? Yeah, I should get, kasi inspiration to, diba? Okay, later, I'm going to show you all my notebooks na sinusulat-sulatan ko doon sa library ko, diba? So, and, yun, we'll discuss things about it. Useful yan, okay? So just, yan, sinabi ko sa inyo na this notebook is, I chose this because of the color. I like this shade of green. And then it's small. It's a pocket size, hindi ito pocket size talaga. But I can put it in my bag. I can bring it anywhere. Of course, when I go home in the Philippines, when I go anywhere, I bring this because I write everything there. Everything, okay? So, yung, alam mo ito, nung bago to, it was so fresh and it has a panda design there. And I think it's really cute. Parang ganon. And then at the back, si Panda. He's so cute there. When it's new, of course, diba? Oh, sabi pa niya, you are my baby. Oh, diba? So inspiring. So parang, oh, how cute. Bibili ko to. So, may ganyan akong side, okay? Diba? Anyway, parang hindi ako nakagrad. Kasi, pag wala sa'yo, hanapin mo hanggang tatanda ka, tama ba? Anyway, okay. So this is a rather a big notebook with not really a good design. But ito lang nakikita ko dun sa local store namin dun kasi sa Bukid. So, it's big enough. So marami ako, ano ba yan? Marami ako nasusulat. Nakuhulog. Marami ako nasusulat and I like it. Okay? Kasi say for example, in one day, I have this, ito na yung example ko pala, sabi ko, may clue siya. May guide siya. Hindi lang clear may guide siya kung anong gagawin ko daily. Daily task guide to. So, okay. As you can see, it's the December planner. For December lang to. Kahit hindi siya talaga super cute, but the color is blue and it's my favorite, so I enjoy it. Diba? And then really, it's light. I can put it inside my bag. And I write on it every minute. Kahit ano lang, okay, meron dito na, ato kahit mga bagay na bibilin ko, ayan, lahat ng mga gamot na bibilin ko, nakalagay na. From Oman only, from Philippines to Oman, from Oman to Philippines, from Oman dadalhin to Philippines, parang ganyan. Ito pala yun, from Oman dadalhin to Philippines, ito naman from Philippines dadalhin to Oman, ito naman, bibilin sa Oman lang. Ano to? Wala. Pinapapackage ko rin naman kasi 'di ba yung mga medicines ng parents ko. So, just ano lang to. It's really helpful if you have a guide if you have a planner notebook, mind you, ang dami ko ng planner na ang cute talaga ng mga design. Yung talagang parang spreadsheet sa table. Parang hindi ko naman ginagamit. Tsaka yung mga notebooks na kakapal, hindi ko naman ginagamit. Natapos na yung year na yun, hindi ko talaga ginagamit. Kasi parang ayoko sulatin kasi so cute, diba? But the thing is, liit-liit naman kasi ng page noon. Parang mas maliit kasi. Diba usually, mga ganito lang siya kalaki. Yung tong light blue na yan. Mga ganyan lang siya. Or bigger than that. But shorter. Tapos mataba siya ganyan. Tapos kung titingnan mo yung daily, daily na susulan, parang half lang. Parang hindi ko alam. I'll try to check on it kasi sayang naman hindi na gagamit, diba? Anyway, it's 5 more minutes before this vlog ends in an hour. I'll take advantage of the time na lang kasi well, pagkikitaan naman ko din yung vlog na to. Talaga, hindi naman ako kumikita. My God. Kailan pa? Beka naman, YouTube. Kailan pa ako magsisweldo? Oh my God. Never. Paano? Hindi naman dumadaming subscriber ko. Kasi ang gusto nga nila, they want 10,000 subscribers at least for you to earn, diba? Tapos, yung views, at least 1 million views. Kunyari wala kang hindi 10,000, 1 million views naman. Or maybe, say, 100,000 views siguro. Parang ganon. I don't know, siguro. Di naman millions talaga. Siguro 1,000, 100,000 lang. So, paano? Konti-konti nga lang ang views, my God. But sabi ko, kung magiging famous ka later, kaya mo ba? Inday, kaya mo ba? Kasi ibabash ka. Diba? Diba? Sabi ng cousin ko, sabi ko, paano yan? Kasi nababash ka rin, diba? Sa channel mo, yung ibang tao dyan, kawawa. Sabi, paano yung mga bashers na yun? Dyan ka rin kumikita. Dyan ka rin kumikita? Ang ibig sabihin naman din nun, kasi madami kang supporters, so maraming views, kahit nang babash yan, tumitingin pa rin yan ng vlog mo, diba? Pero ayoko naman ganun kasi this vlog is not parang pagkakitaan talaga solely. I told you it's a vlog which is an entertainment vlog actually for my friends and for those who know me and who wants to be with me or share my interests. Ganun. And ang first kasi repository channel to ng mga videos ko because I really love to shot videos even when I was young. Di pa naman little, but when I was young, I was thinking of really shooting videos, speaking in the videos. I mean, just speaking about my interests, what I wanted to, lahat. Parang, I wanted to be a host in a talk show, parang ganon. I did become a DJ before, but it's not, of course, in the TV. Radio lang yun. But because I really love music, I really want it. Na-reach ko naman yun. Naabot ko naman yun, ang pangarap kong yun, diba? So, but being a talk show host, hindi ako diehard dyan. Hindi naman, no, not that one. Not like that, hindi ganyan. But I enjoy it. I mean, and so, wala yung problema. Yung mga panahon na to, lahat are possible. Most of the things are possible. Like in 100% scale, siguro 60% na are possible. Diba? I think in the generations to come, sa mga generations ng apo ko, kayo, hoy ha, wag kayo sa akin ha, ini-expect ko kayo, what I can do, you can do better and best, show your lola, my God, ano ba yan? I've lots to do, kulang ako sa time, dami-dami kong kayang gawin, kulang na ng time lola nyo, my God, dami-dami kong ideas, and I can execute things, pero kulang lang talaga ako sa time. Tsaka, minsan emotional and psychological problems get into me. Pero yun, ipinaglalaban ko pa rin sa sarili ko. So, I can call myself successful sa area na yan. Ayan. So, kayo, maging strong kayo, mga apo ko. And then, do something please, my God. Pwede ba? Pag ganyan na yung lola mo, kunyan, ang ganda pala ni lola. Ikaw, paano ka? Pangit ka? Wag naman, my God. Mahabaging Diyos, wag naman. Pwede ba? You can do better. You can be more. Right? Ay, ganda palang manamit ng lola ko. O, ikaw, losyang ka. Paano na yun? Diba? Wag ganon. Wag ganon, girl. Wag ganon. Yan sasabihin ko. Okay? Hindi kita apo. Okay? Okay, lastly, to end this, because sabi ko nga itong mga vlogs na to, these are really for my apos later on. You can find this channel. Ilagay ko talaga yung pangalan ko, no? Para makita talaga nila. Okay, take note ha. Kasi nung age na to, I'm a doctor, diba? So, I'm an internal medicine doctor. I also work in the ER, ICU. Nagmamadali. My God, sa country na to, nagmamadali. Apurado mga tao dito, hindi naman emergency pa, diba? Pero parehas na rin yun, okay? Because I can work in an environment with high stress level and for long hours, as long as 72 hours or more with discipline. So, ang gusto ko madali lahat. Like, you know, if I see something, okay, Doc, may pasyente pagpasok, alam ko yan, asthma yan, okay, sige, inabilis mo na, inject mo na ng hydrocortisone, ganyan. Then, kunin mo na ay ng arterial blood gas, ganyan. Kunin mo laboratories, ganyan. Perform some ancillary procedures, ganyan. Pagpasok pa lang ng pasyente. Of course, my job, syempre, alam ko yun, diba? So, ang point ko naman doon, yung nagko-computer ka, mabilis din ako mag-computer. Mabilis ako mag-type. But the thing is, kahit mabilis ako, my God, yung i-open mo pa lang, bubuksan mo pa lang yung computer, ang tagal. Antayin mo pa. Pwede ka bang magbilang ng mga tupa. Alam mo yun, diba? So, guys, mga apo ko, naiintindihan nyo ba? Any one of you should discover. Nagtataka ako ba't wala pa eh. Siguro meron na yan, pero mahal pa. Kung bibili mo yung software na yan, my God, pwede ba? Tagal For an idealistic person as I am, obviously, and gusto ko mabilis yung service, obviously, ititreat natin kagad yan para ma-okay na siya. Diba? Ayoko naghihintay, diba? Ganun. So, kailangan hindi na, pag sinabi masakit, kailangan bigyan na siya kaagad ng gamot. Para kung mamatay, alam naman, antayin pa natin. Kaya nga pumunta dyan para mabuhay papatayin mo pa. Diba? Hindi mo ito punerarya. Diba? Hospital tayo. Diba? Clinic tayo. So, may malaking pagkakaiba. And time is of the essence sa mga clinics at hospital. Kasi yan ang nagpapabuhay. Sa una yan, if you're quick enough, mabubuhay mo yung tao. If matagal ka, parang patay ka, yun na nga, mamatay talaga. Pasyente, my God. So that's why brilliant doctors are needed in hospitals. And I mean, it's a fact, right? I mean, brilliant doctors are needed as doctors. Brilliant people pala are needed as doctors. Kasi brilliant people think fast, right? And then give solutions fast, right? Pagka ganyan, alam mo yan, okay. Parang gano'n na, parang pagkatingin pa lang, ganyan na, Tsaka brilliant nurses, yun na rin pagka ganyan, pagka ganyan niya, sabihin lang ng nurse, Doc, nagkakaintindihan kayo kasi trabaho niyo yun, diba? For example, ibig pala niya sabihin ECG, pag gumanon lang siya, diba? Kakaintindihan kayo, gagawin niya kaagad, diba? Pag kukunan ng dugo, yung code pala ninyo is, diba? Bilisin, gusto ko. Or pag ganyan na, kahit tingnan ng doc, hindi na pag ganyan ko sa'yo, yun na, kahit pa na. Ay, iba nga dyan na nurse, hinihintay, ginagawa na nila. Doc, kinuha ko ng ECG, kasi alam ko naman, kasi chest pain to eh. Wow, what a brilliant person. Parang itong kailangan